Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. My name is Nirav Shah, that is Nirav Sir. So, I am welcoming all the audience and all the listener to this video on the behalf of Jain classes. Jain classes welcome you all. So, last 2 or 3 weeks we are starting down the video series, that is video lecture. This video series is start because if anyone interested in this topic, they can enjoy this video. That's why I am recording this video. So today I am just recording the video for the first year, that is Bachelor of Engineering students or Diploma Engineering student first year students. So first thing in your mind that today we are discussing a topic that is called Introduction to Mechanics. So I have the 4 questions related to this, because in your earlier ways, that is in your 9th and 10th or in your 11th and 12th, you are already learned some amount of topic related to science or physics. So I have only 4 questions. Yeah, if I am introducing this mechanics, I have only 4 questions. If you know the answer, you can write down in the subscription box or in the description box. First question: how can pulley system enhance performance of Chevrolet engine? Second, a small tug can drag aircraft carriers. Third one, a बंदर करे हाथी को ऊपर, गजब है भाई. And the fourth one, how far we can go. So these are the 4 fundamental questions, and this answer you can already learn in your 9th and 10th science textbook or your 11th and 12th physics book. So if you know the answer, you can write down the description box, because this is the main funda things that you are learned from your basic level. So we are starting once more again the basic level, that is Newton's first law of motion, that is called inertia. If no force act on a body, the body's velocity cannot change, that is the body cannot accelerate. So this is the called Newton's first law of motion with inertia. Next in your mind, that what is frame of reference. So Newton's law is not true in all references frame, but in inertial reference frame it is true. So next question in your mind, that it is possible to have motion of an object in absence of force. Is it possible? Or if we consider like this, it is possible to have force in absence of motion of objects. So you can, if you know the answer of this question, you should write down in the description box. If you do not know, then I can tell in my next video lecture or next video session. It is not a lecture, it is just a video session. This video session is recording because of the knowledge enhanced for the diploma and degree first year students only. This video is only for diploma and degree first year students. Second things, Newton's second law of motions. The net force on a body is equal to the product of the body's mass and its acceleration. So that is F equal to ma. So this is called the Newton's second law of inertia. Is it clear up to this? Any difficulty or any question up to this? If you have any question, then you can write down in my description box. Next question arise, magica or eureka. This both type of phenomena are taken place with the equation of F by m, where acceleration is going to infinity. So F, if you find the force upon mass difference, the system is called magica or eureka. Next question we are considering, determine the acceleration that results when a 12 Newton net force is applied to a 3 kg object and then to a 6 kg object. So here question, we have the two object, one is 3 kg and another one is 6 kg. So here formula is getting F equal to ma. So we are getting the force is 12 Newton. How? F equal to ma. M is what? 3 and their force is 12 Newton is already given. So m1 equal to 3 kg and m2 equal to 6 kg. So we are using the magica or eureka formula, A is equal to F by m. So we are getting 2 meter per second square is the acceleration. Next we are moving for the further, that is called Newton's third law of motion. So in this Newton's third law of motions, acceleration and masses are inversely proportional. So what the law says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reactions. So this is called the Newton's third law of motion of inertia. Next we are moving for the Newton's cadle. So main problem that here we are discussing, first one is conceptualization. So for the conceptualization part, we can discuss in three categories. Our first category is conceptualization, and this category is divided into three subcategories. First, that is A, draw a simple neat diagram of system. B, diagram helps establish the mental representation. C, establish conventional coordinates axes for each object in the system. So this is called the conceptualizations. Second is called the categories. So in these categories, first we discuss the A. If an acceleration component for an object is 0, the object is modeled as a particle in not equilibrium in this direction. So summation of F equal to 0. If not, the object is modeled as particle under a net force in this direction, and summation of F equal to ma, where F equal to ma, where A equal to 0, F equal to 0, and summation of F equal to F1 plus F2 is equal to 0. Third thing is called analyze. So isolate the object whose motion is being analyzed. Draw a free body diagram for this object. For system containing more than one object, draw separate free body diagram for each. Find the component forces on the system. Check dimension. Find the component free coordinates. Establish independent equation for motion of system. Next is finalizer, that is called fourth. Make sure your results are consistent with the frequency body diagram. Also check the prediction of your solution for extreme value of the variables. So in this particular thing we can explain some of the basic fundamental things, that is a traffic light at rest. You can show that how the traffic lights are working, that we can check with the help of these systems. Second, the runaway car. So if you show the runaway car, which type of forces or which type of Newton's law are followed by this running car, that we can also learn with the help of inertia and all the type of things. That is the I am taking the example that if you are sitting in the car, if car starting, you can go to the back side like this. If car in steady state, you are in steady state, but if car when stop, you can come the forward side. So this type of situation is also known as inertia. Then the third one block push another. If we consider the two blocks and one block is push another block, so which type of phenomena or which type of motion is occur, that we can determine with the help of this motion of inertia and the laws of motions. So these all things you are learning in your school days, that is in 10th or even in 12th, because in this Newton's law is very basic background or inertia is very basic background. Next is waiting a fish in an elevator. If we consider an elevator is there, and when elevator is going to downward and upward, then what phenomena occur with the fish inside the fish tank, that we can determine. Then the Atwood machine, you have already known about the Atwood machines. Next is accelerations of two objects connected by cords. So if we connect two objects with cord and both have different accelerations, then what is going to happen? And if they have the same accelerations, then which type of phenomena is going to produce, or which type of Newton's law they obeyed, or which type of formula is taken place, that we can consider here. Last, anti-braking system, ABS in your car. So if you show the cars, they have the nowadays ABS system. First this air brake. Now this anti-braking systems are come in the picture, which is also worked in the Newton's all the three laws and inertias. So today I am discussing up to this in this video. For further this type of videos, you can watch my channel. My name is Nirav Shah, that is Nirav Sir, and you are watching Jain Classes. So if you like my video, then you can subscribe my channel Jain Classes. If you do not like my video, do not subscribe or do not follow it. So if you have any difficulty or any queries related to this video, you can ask in the description box. So once more time I am introducing, this video is only for the first year students who have completed 10th or 12th. So that's have the basic knowledge about the Newton's law, all the three laws in brief in your school days, or the motion of inertia. So that is we are discussing introduction to mechanics. So only in this video I am only discussing only two parts. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. On the behalf of Jain classes, my name is Sir Nirav Kumar, that is Nirav sir. Once more, thank you all of you to watching the audience for this video.